Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add details to your hard surface models without using complicated methods. First, we need to create a displacement map and we can use JS placement for it. Or you can use displacement X. The method I'm going to show you now is the method I used to create this space station model. And you can see that this model has a lot of details. First, I created a basic model, then I textured this model with the generated displacement map, and I added details to my map. So let's learn how to add that kind of detail to our models. Press A and X to delete these objects, and for example let's add a cylinder. I set vertices to 24, change cap fill type to nothing, and I rotate this on the y-axis. Select the object, right click and shade smooth, and add a subdivision surface modifier. I set this to 2 as a solidify modifier. Or solidify modifier should be before subdivision surface. Add a bevel modifier. And our bevel should also be before the subdivision surface. I set segments to 2 and decrease the amount of bevel. Okay, now we want to add details to this model. Just go to edit mode and select the parts you want to add details to. Select mode to face, and if you want to select a face loop, press Alt Shift left click. Shift D to duplicate and press P and separate selection. Remove solidify and bevel modifiers. Add a displace modifier, click new and open your displacement map. I should also say that with JS placement you can generate different types of displacement maps. When you open the displacement map, the model looks weird. This is because our object needs to have more subdivisions. So select the object, go to modifiers tab, use UV coordinates, UV map, reduce the strength, go to edit mode, hide our base object and add a loop cut. Open this menu and you can create 12 or 16 or even more loop cuts. Go back to object mode and increase the number of subdivisions. Well, I feel like my texture size is a little inconsistent on the Y and X axis. This is because of our UV map. So go to UV editing workspace, press A to select everything, and if I go to modifiers tab and check this option, I can see the effect of the modifier on the object even in edit mode. Select everything with A in this tab, press S and scale this along the x-axis. If you think our object doesn't have enough subdivisions, go to edit mode and subdivide the faces. And yeah, I think this looks pretty cool. Besides using displacements, you can see that my model has other small details that were created through modeling. You can create your own ripples and use them in your projects or download them from the internet. For the space station model, I used this wonderful ripples kit made by Pop-Up Dairy. It can be a little tricky to add these models to your model's bodies, so let me show you how to do it. So I'm going to copy this object and paste it into this project, and so you see it's hard for me to put this on the body of my object. If you want to do that easily, just turn on snapping, set the snap target to face, turn on line rotation to target, turn on this rotate option as well. And now you see that I'm doing this very easily. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.